White bread. Dude, that's great. Yeah, that is. When I was saying on bike, there was no pushback. Do you know what I'm saying?
Good morning. Today we will be spending the day in Edinburgh. It's not only the Fringe that is on today, but we will also explore Dean Village, and stay tuned for all the other places we will be going to. Actually a Fringe venue. It's venue 91. Oh, it says what's on. Edinburgh Festival at St Mary's Cathedral. Yeah. It's absolutely stunning. I don't think I've ever been here though. Although I've been to Edinburgh quite a few times. But you always tend to see like the same places, like when you go to the same city or area. At least that's with me. I'll really have to push myself to see something else. And I'm also like that person who watches the same series over and over again, and by the time Ian can convince me to watch a new series, it takes ages. But we're getting there. We're trying new stuff.
What are you watching?
I'm watching Suits, and I know probably you all out there have watched it, but yeah, I'm pretty late to the party. We also watched Ted Lasso because my aunt told us, I think she told us for a few months, until I said, Ian, we have to watch it. And we loved it. So if you have any recommendations for a series, then let me know in the comments below. I actually can't believe it. We've only been here for 15 minutes and it started raining already. So Scottish summer, but it also means that we'll probably stop soon. It's just a wee shower. Any excuse for what? Any excuse to go to for a pint? Exactly. No, it's a bit early.
What? Semi-modern.
Yeah, but I think it looks like this is more modern, and then it goes. The build, it just looks like from here, but we'll see. Get parked in there. Yeah. But look, you've got a wee like terrace balcony thingy. And look how lovely. We have come to the main spot in Dean Village, and it's so picturesque that of course everyone is here already, and it's pretty difficult to get a spot to take a photo or take a photo or video or anything like that, or get even across the bridge, because everyone is just using the bridge to take photos. That's lovely, it really is, and we're lucky with the weather now. we're now walking to St Bernard's Well, which is a quarter of a mile from where we are now, and it's part of the Leith Walk. I'm not sure if we'll be walking the whole walk, I don't think so. But let's see. This is St Bernard's mineral well, but it's shut. But let's have a look quickly here. Right, I guess everyone is walking like the complete Leith Walk, but we'll just be heading back, I guess. It's really quiet. I don't know why. What time is it? Like 1 o'clock? 12:30. Yeah. Probably will get busier and busier. So we can go left or right. So look, we've got...
Oh, this is our street.
Yeah. We've got Wetherspoons over there. Over there, we've got like also Alba 1. I don't know, so I think Spoons would be able for something to eat. Right, a few hours later, it started raining. Yeah, I think it's a few hours later. We've had a wee lunch and we will be walking.
Burn the calories off.
Well, we'll be burning the calories off, exactly. So stay tuned to where we're going now. For lunch, we did go to a pub. And no, we didn't have too many drinks. We only had 2 drinks. We behaved ourselves. But to our defence, it was raining.
We went
So
to stay dry.
yeah, exactly. We went to stay dry. So we had a reason to go to the pub that early. If you are one of my first subscribers, then you might know that one of my first videos was in Edinburgh, the Edinburgh Christmas market, and actually I can't wait to go back. I know, to be honest, I was slanging it off a little bit with the prices, but we'll check it out this year. Yeah. I've got a better job now, and now I can maybe afford something at the Christmas market. So stay tuned for that. And of course I'll link the video somewhere here. Now, before we had lunch, it was pretty overcast and it was very humid. And Ian Pusso was feeling a bit dizzy, and I was also feeling it a bit. And to be honest, I don't know how we're going to cope when we're going to Bali in autumn, because it will definitely be more humid than it is here. So we might have to somehow get used to it. Yes, if you have any tips for that, then please let us know. It's absolutely mobbed. Wait, Ian, where do we want to walk? Because, so over to my right, we would be walking to Edinburgh Castle, but honestly, it's crazy. And they're all about a 10-20 £, bustling. And now we're at the Royal Mile. Just have a look at the hustle and bustle.
It looks like it's actually here permanently.
Not sure if you've been able to see it, but they've even got a lift here, and I don't know how they managed to build that just for the tattoo. Yeah, just temporary. I thought something like that would take like ages.
Famous sun ring.
Now going to take the stairs down to Victoria Street that we can see down here, and yes, it is raining. Right, we're on Victoria Street. It's mobbed, but I'll see how much I can film for you. We've basically walked a huge circle. So this is where we started, and I'll show you where we are just now. You'll recognise it. And we've walked a huge circle across along the Royal Mile, Grassmarket, and then back here. Well folks, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you've enjoyed it, then please like and subscribe. Subscribing is free, so I'll see you then. Bye!